You know what's crazy? Companies are struggling to find experienced candidates, but they're not willing to hire freshers. Now, you see a problem here? I was thinking about this from quite a few days because engineers, managers, team leaders started somewhere. Nobody is born with 5 to 10 years of experience, right? Someone gave them the first opportunity, someone trusted with their work, someone was okay with them doing mistakes till the time they can experience, and that's how the experience is built. Think about the Indian IT industry. People think the greatest strength that we have is the low cost talent. Yes, I agree, we do have, but that's a half story. What's our another strength is scaling talent. We are known for scaling talent, building talent. Think about companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, whether you like working there or not, but they are known to hire a lot of freshers, train them. Some people stayed, some people moved on, some became CTOs, some architects, some started their own some started working with startups, or some started their startups, so on and so forth. The entire ecosystem was built because someone decided to invest on beginners. Now, I'm not saying that companies have completely stopped hiring freshers. No, they haven't. Neither I'm predicting that there'll be talent crunch in coming few years. Nobody knows. Maybe nobody knows what happens in next 10 years. Just thinking about one point, if the biggest employers reduce their investment in the beginners, what will happen to the talent pipeline in the coming few years? I don't know, but it is worth discussing. Now, some of you must be thinking, Sushma, if I'm a fresher, how am I supposed to get experience? It's a fair question. Maybe if I was at your place, I would not wait to get in real corporate experience. I would gain experience through a freelancing project or open source contribution where I am not getting paid, but I'm getting some kind of an experience. I would some startup or do something of my own. So the companies, when they say they want experience, they want to see that you are capable of solving real life problems, and they need a proof of that. Uh, and this is one of the few ways that you can show that proof. Is it fair? Maybe no, but this is where the market is heading to. That's how I read the market right now. So I would leave you with the final thought here. We've been hearing that people are our greatest asset. If that's true, developing people is not just HR process. It's an investment. It's a business investment. Technology is an investment. People are investment too. So the question is not whether companies should invest in AI. Of course, they should invest in AI. But while they are investing so much in AI, are they still consistently investing in people too? Companies can buy experienced people for a while, but what happens after some time? Someone still has to create them, right? What do you think? Do companies hold of in responsibility of investing in people and training them, or do you think that professionals should be ready from day one? I'd genuinely like to hear your thoughts on this. See you soon.